Hi traders, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best mirror trader Forex brokers. Be sure to like, subscribe and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Mirror Trader is a copy trader platform developed by Tradency, a company that acts as a technology service provider that caters exclusively to brokers and third-party signal providers. Tradency works with Forex brokers for providing a broad range of automated trading tools that enable traders to copy trading strategies and incorporate mirror trading tools from other successful traders. Tradency is not a social trading network and does not allow traders or investors to sign up directly with the Mirror Trader platform. Instead, users can only sign up for a Mirror Trader account through the help of a broker that offers Mirror Trader as a free or paid alternative. Traders who are searching for a list of some of the best Mirror Trader Forex brokers can sometimes find it to be a difficult process, especially when searching for a safe, reliable and trustworthy broker to trade with. So, in this video, we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best Mirror Trader Forex brokers. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have FBS. FBS is a Forex and CFD broker, which is authorized and regulated by the International Financial Services Commission of Belize and the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission. FBS offers clients the option to trade with Forex, indices, stocks, metals and energies. Featured platforms are available on the FBS Trader Platform, as well as MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms, which are supported on Windows, iOS and Android operating systems. Their accounts are provided on Cent, Micro, Standard, Zero Spread and ECN accounts. Each account offers different features and benefits respectively. Demo trading and swap-free accounts are also available. FBS also provides their very own Forex analysis panels, informative market overview videos, beginner, elementary, intermediate and experienced Forex guides, a variety of video lessons that delve into various educational topics from opening your account to the use of their platforms, as well as seminars, webinars and an economic calendar for you to browse through if you are looking for any additional educational resources with FBS. At number 4 on our list is XM. XM is a globally regulated financial broker that operates with clients from over 196 countries and offers support in 30 different languages. Their main branch is located in Cyprus and is fully regulated by the CySEC. XM specializes in trading through Forex, stocks, commodities, indices, metals, energies, and shares. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature Micro, Standard, XM Ultra Low, and Shares accounts that come equipped with negative balance protection and a variety of tradable base currency options. XM also provides their very own educational resource center, which delves into a variety of trading educational videos, a daily live streaming and podcast service, as well as free webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking for a more personal, in-depth educational experience. Coming in at number 3, we have Hot Forex. Hot Forex is the brand name of HF Markets Limited, and in addition to providing world-class trading solutions, is strictly regulated, with a great emphasis placed on ensuring the safety and security of clients' funds in the best ways possible. Regulated and authorized with the FCA, the CySEC, the DFSA, and the FSCA, Hot Forex specializes in trading through Forex, metals, energies, indices, and shares. Featured platforms for accounts are available on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are available on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature micro, premium, zero spread, auto, HF copy, and swap-free accounts, with lower minimum deposits, lower spreads, a large number of simultaneous open orders, 24 hours, 6 days a week customer support, and more. Hot Forex also provides their very own educational panels, which cover in-depth Forex trading educational videos, beginner courses, tutorials in platform functionality, a featured trading podcast, as well as a number of live webinars, which you can sign up to for a more personal, educational experience with Hot Forex. At number 2 on our list is FXTM. FXTM is an online, fully regulated financial broker. Founded in 2011, FXTM primarily remains a MetaTrader-only broker and offers 7 account types that provide traders with access to up to 59 currency pairs, as well as CFDs on 173 single stock shares. FXTM provides services and specializes in trading through Forex, precious metals, CFDs, commodities, CFD indices, and cryptocurrencies. Available accounts are featured on Standard, Cent, CFD, Stocks, ECN 0, ECN, and FXTM Pro accounts, with swap-free options, a variety of base currency options, instant executions, and more. Featured platforms for accounts are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and the FXTM Trader application, which is available on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. FXTM also provides their very own Learning Center, which covers a video learning library, seminars, webinars, trading articles, a variety of ebooks, great customer support, and more if you are looking to expand your trading education with FXTM. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best mirror trader Forex brokers, we have FXCM. Forex Capital Markets Limited, or FXCM, is a spread betting, CFD and Forex trading broker, authorized and regulated by the UK Financial Conduct Authority under the Forex Capital Markets Limited, and is part of the Lucadia Company, which offers users the ability to trade on Forex pairs, shares, indices, cryptocurrencies, and commodities, offering competitive spreads on a variety of currency pairs and CFD instruments. Available platforms are featured on MetaTrader 4, NinjaTrader, ZuluTrade, FXCM's proprietary trading station, as well as Capitalize AI, which is a super system used for building your own trading model. Their proprietary trading station is supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems, and can be used as a web trading platform that can be accessed directly from your browser. FXCM offers only one type of live trading account for retail clients, but there is also a professional account if you are building or managing an institutional investment portfolio, as well as an active trader account if you're a high-volume trader. These accounts feature competitive spreads, lower leverage, lower minimum account deposits, up to 39 tradable currency pairs on active or standard accounts, and more. FXCM also provides their very own educational center, which delves into Forex trading for beginners guides, a plethora of training courses, a Forex educational video library, as well as their upcoming webinars for you to sign up to at any time if you are looking for a more in-depth educational experience with FXCM. And those are some of the top 5 best mirror trader Forex brokers on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.